evening, good life everyone. How is everyone doing? I'm so excited to meet all of you today, and I have been thinking of coming live and talking to you about how to solve an issue. Has it ever happened with you? I don't know, I'm not very sure about your experiences, but when I'm alone in my room and I'm thinking for a while, for a bit, I have this going on in my mind that have people ever faced any issue that needed to be resolved quickly? Well, I have a remedy for this. I have a solution for this if you are interested in knowing. And I would like to share that if you are one of those people who keeps getting into problems, most of the times, I totally understand how it feels to carry on a stressful life and stay busy with work, events, and personal goals, relationships. Yes, we all have relationships to nurture and to give ourselves into. But we also should keep in mind that there's some balance that needs to be maintained. And yes, we do have issues resolving problems when we lose our temper and lose that balance. So I would like to tell you guys, no need to fret over it or no need to feel frustrated about it. It's just that while dealing with an issue, you have to be soft on the person you're dealing with and hard on the problem. That's the trick. Yes, soft on the person and hard on the problem. Guys, we should all keep this in mind that this year is coming to an end, and this year has had its share of problems and absolutely irritating. I totally agree with you on this irritating and very annoying situations. I agree with you on that, but having said that, we should also keep in mind that there is a better prospect, a better picture to life, and with the advent of 2025, we are looking forward to experiencing absolutely amazing days, and yes, resolving issues as well. So I'm here to discuss with you about how to resolve an issue. I think before resolving an issue, what happens most of the times is that we get more concentrated on the person who we have an issue with, and we kind of digress from the problem, and we fail to resolve the issue. I mean, the problem becomes the main problem becomes the main issue, and we fail in our attempts to resolve. So what we should do in this situation is that we should be soft on the person, because we all should remember that human beings have the ability to talk, they have the ability to express, and yes, when we talk to a person about an issue, it's not about blowing that person out of his mind, but yes, making sure that both of you, the two of you, come to a solution of that problem. So yes, it's important that you keep in mind that the person you're talking to has an emotional side to himself or herself, and you should totally concentrate on finding solutions and not hurting the person and blowing him or her out of his mind, so that he goes about losing his temper and digressing from the main goal of finding solution. So the first and the most easy trick to resolve an issue in 2025. Yes, I would mention 2025 here, because this is the year end, and we are coming to an end with 31st. Today is 31st of December, and I'm making this video with this particular purpose in mind. We are coming to the year end, and with the advent of the new year, we would be having lots of issues to resolve, because life would be coming in full force in front of us, right? We would be having lots to deal with and lots to find a solution to. So it's important that you know the trick, and I would request all of you to be soft on everyone you meet and spread love, spread cheer, spread happiness. Do achieve success. I wish you lots and lots of success and prosperity. Having said that, I also wish you lots of peace and good ideas in your mind. I hope that you come up with good ideas in your mind, because it's a competitive world, and yes, people throw an evil eye as well. So it's very important to protect yourselves from evil eye and evil eyes and problems as well. So I think resolving an issue, no matter who that is, it could be your family member, it could be your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your friend, your nearest, your near and dear ones, anybody. It could be anybody, and you could be having an issue with them. So how to resolve it? I would be suggesting you to not be hard on yourself. I would suggest you to not be hard on yourself and hurt yourself by hurting others, because I know you are a person with a heart, and yes, you would feel bad if you hurt the other person. So be soft on yourself, be soft on the other person, and resolve the issue. Focus on the problem, not the person. Yes. So I'm very excited to come live today. I am celebrating 31st. Today is 31st of December. It's the most exciting day of the year, and I'm very excited to have come out with my friend. And yes, I'm making a video to come live and have a chat with all of you. Thank you so much for all your love. I absolutely adore, I absolutely love your likes, shares and subscriptions. Thank you so much for all the love and blessings that you have showered on me. I can't thank you enough. And yes, the trick, the solution, the idea, the solution to the problem that I would be suggesting you would be going soft on yourself this coming year, and focusing or finding a solution to your problems in a very, very soothing and calm manner. Yes, thank you so much for watching me, and happy 31st, happy 2024, goodbye to 2024 rather, goodbye to 2024, and yes, do welcome 2025 with lots of love and lots of positivity in yourselves. Yes, thank you so much for watching me. I will come again with more interesting videos, and do not forget the drill. The drill is searching Rohini Mukherjee on YouTube, searching Rohini the Hermione. Rohini the Hermione is the name of my channel. You search Rohini the Hermione on YouTube and click on like button, and once you've liked, do not forget to share it, guys. Share it with your friends, and after you have shared, do subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much. I would come again with interesting topics, and I would try my best to live up to your expectations. And yes, I'm here with my friend. I am at a city mall. I'm at a city mall with my friend because it's the year end, and I'm having a fantastic time, and I hope so are you. So are you having, and I would say a ciao now to everyone out there. Thank you for all the love, and usher in the new year with lots of positivity. I would come again with more interesting videos. Till then, take care and have a good evening. Stay blessed. Goodbye.